Hello guys, today we're gonna have a look at this new Lenovo 9i Yoga laptop. It's shadow black in color and I've been really looking forward to open it. And I was waiting for a new Dragonfly, but that's not gonna be released until late summer or autumn this year. So this is the top spec laptop, which has got 11th gen Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphic card. Alright. It looks quite nice. I mean, very nicely packed. It shows a bit of yoga signs, and then yeah, nicely covered. So I just open it up. This is just the leather cover guide. Put it on this side. Then we got a sleeve here. So this is the laptop. Put it here. Have a look in a minute. Let's look what have we got inside. Silica gel pack. Safety and warranty guide, and that's probably it. Just put it on the side. Okay, let's just have a look at the laptop. How does it look like? Wow, looks very nice, leathery feel. I mean, it's not really that soft kind of leather. It is like hard surface, a durable kind of leather. And it says Yoga 9 series here. At the back, you can see it's like an aluminium body here. Speakers here, and I believe this is for the exhaust. We've also got speaker at the back here. All right. Yeah, nice feel. Let's have a look at the sides. So we've got headphone jack, we got USB, normal USB, then we haven't got anything here. We got a pen here, which we can just take it out like this. So just put this back in. And then on this side we got power button, and that's it. Well, don't have any SD card slot, but it's good to see that it's got 3.5mm only jack. What have we got in here? So I think it's just a charger. Got this charger here. All right, let's just open up. Bit of tilting. I think there's a bit of a hard point in the hinge here. Better. Lenovo premium care. So there is this Intel Evo logo and Yoga 9i logo, Dolby Vision audio, and we've got ultrasonic fingerprint reader, your fingerprint over here, which is, I mean, quite nice and sleek design. Then the keyboard seems quite smooth, nice as well. Dolby Atmos speakers. It's very thin from the side as well. Let's see, we can go back. Like a tent. Can also be done like this. Let's turn it on from here. Let's press this button here. First time setup, taking its time.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
This is what Lenovo Yoga 9i Shadow Black looks like. I mean, looks quite a premium laptop. So these are all the items that you're going to be finding in the box. Thank you for watching.